Welcome back to Overheat, Ford Transit Campervan 2026, Portable Freedom. Exterior. In keeping with Ford's most recent design language, the front grille is probably going to gain a more aggressive and modern look. Improved LED headlights with adjustable functions. It might also be possible to get new alloy wheels that are lighter and more durable. Sliding side doors will continue to be a crucial component, simplifying loading and unloading as well as entry and exit. Interior. Kitchen, energy efficient mid-sized. Compressor refrigerator, sink with fold-out faucet, 2-burner induction cooktop, and clever grocery and cookware storage. The beds will be made as comfortable as possible, perhaps with pocket spring or memory foam mattresses, to make the most of every available space. Storage will be cleverly organized with concealed compartments, under bed drawers, and hanging cabinets. At night, dimmable ambient LED lighting will produce a comfortable ambience. Premium materials that are lightweight, strong, and easy to clean will be used inside. A potent and effective EcoBoost gasoline engine and perhaps an updated EcoBlue diesel engine for more torque will be available for the 2026 Ford Transit Campervan. Utilizing advancements in battery technology, an electric transit campervan option with a greater range and quicker charge periods is also anticipated. Transmission. A multi-gear, smoothly changing automatic transmission will be included as standard. Drivetrain front-wheel drive FWD for increased agility, rear-wheel drive RWD, and, most significantly, a more sophisticated all-wheel drive AWD option for better grip and light off-road performance. In a range of road situations, the control center for media, navigation, and car settings will be a large touchscreen. Internet access will be possible everywhere thanks to an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. Users will be able to track the status of their vehicles through the FordPass Connect app, a more advanced and effective lithium-ion battery system that can be recharged using solar panels, engine alternators, or shore power connections.